Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you tips and tricks of best camera setting in Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Go in camera, here you can see the shutter button, swipe it. As you can see, it is taking multiple photos. Now go in gallery, tap right here. Now you can see your multiple photos. Come back again. Now if you want to make a GIF, then go in settings. Here you can see swipe shutter button. Tap on it, select GIF. Come back. Now again swipe this button. Let's see. As you can see, the GIF is done. Come back, go in more. Here you can see some options like panorama, food, night, macro, slow motion and pro. Now if I go in pro, here you can see some settings like ISO, speed, focus and color. If I will select ISO, I can customize it according to my needs. Then if I go in color, I can make it cooler like by doing like this. As you can see, my colors is changing. Come back, go in more again. Now if you want your pro here, you can simply hold it and put it right here and save it. Come back. Now you can easily access to pro by doing like this. If you don't want pro mode here, then again go in more, tap on plus icon, select the pro mode and put it here again, then save it. Go in pro again. As you can see, my settings are not good. Go here. As you can see, the reset button, tap on reset button. Now my setting is reset. Come back again. Here you can see 12 megapixel is written. Tap again. Now it is switched to 50 megapixel. Take any photo and you can see the results, which is very clear. The another option is go in settings. If you want high efficiency photos, you can simply enable it, and if you want high efficiency video which support HEVC, then simply enable it. Here you can simply enable the grid line. As you can see, grid line is enabled. Go in settings again, scroll down, go in shooting methods. Here you can see press volume button to take photo, but I don't want to take photo with volume button, so I will simply select it, zoom in or zoom out. Come back. Now I can simply zoom in by pressing this button. It is saying basically my camera resolution is 50 megapixels. I will do it 12 megapixels. Now I can simply zoom in by doing like this and zoom out by pressing lower volume button. So these are the tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.